No benzina, baby you a foreigner, nego mavyo nayo pala, nitakupa mapenzi na, we're riding in a benzina, onyirira, getalo mulisa, onyirira, getalo mulisa.
Toniks, by the way, you don't have any other dance moves apart from those ones.
Which ones?
Show me. Those are the only dance moves you have.
Which one?
Ngokola boat.
We went.
Bwoka sikula wakongo.
Kano sikakola nga just nkakoze katingo yogedi.
Nedda mkwano. Wala uno
wadogo.
Those are the only dance moves you have.
So this one? Plus this one? Which other one? This one?
There is another dance move you have. I think that's what Zoina obera okola bukozi bwoti. Ntona na manyi go kozesa.
Ani siri muzingi.
Welcome to the show. 21 questions. Evelyn Mike, Success Voice on the microphone. Go mutale yongo ina business na yongero kujukiza bad naye ngo yagala business yo eyakenge tala. Making sure downloadinga app ya Numida agenda bagenzi ku Play Store, download the app bagenda kwa kwa kasimbi musawa abiri munya. So today I have the forever time ladies wine. Forever, even in the next generations, he will forever be the ladies wine. Nimbi.
Nebwendigenda mugulu. Jatuka yonga.
Ngago ladies wine.
Ngaba baby nga Yesu agamba. I introduce to you the ladies wine all the way from Uganda.
Noja. Gwa muwanvu, gwa mulungi. What do they call this skin color?
Chocolate brown.
Chocolate.
I believe like abaduka kufela tuli chocolate, just different shades.
Okay.
Kwanga tell muntu wa black ngenga toza black. Or like your hair. Okay.
Jebali. Maybe nakutwala Jebali. How are you doing?
Not bad.
Bana omuntu akoza ati okubanga buli kaseera obufulumya oluyimba ne tukulabako. Kubanga oba tolina luyimba bannange Toniks oba muzibu wa kusanga era bera mu events is very very rare. Abantu je bakusanga eyo.
Nemba mu events. I think wobo yagala kulaba Toniks. Oyino kungoberera ku social media.
Ntumanya oli.
Yeah, that's the easiest way because ojja kunkubira simu nombuza, tojja kunsikana ku street, sanga to kati ogenda kunsangawa. You know? Ate sinze nya agenda mu like randomly, you're like happening places.
Yeah.
I'm a bit low key. Posing about you like something, an event. But like I think people are following on social media. Those are the ones who can run into me because they can know that I can never better one. No?
Watuko kujaga tukuranira kwa kwefananya. Watuko wa adere this why.
Secho.
Watuko wachovano chajeje tuwera.
Secho. No, I think like life cycle yo muyimbi as an entertainer when you the longer fabagenda mu limelight ngatuchali batonyo. I think you reach a point and you really like privacy a bit more.
Yeah.
You know, because you do crowds like for so long. So you reach a point and you want to be a bit, unless you have to, you feel like you prefer a more intimate vibe, you know?
You're so active on X. Nelo inakola bango commentinga ngo gamba timo bayinza okuba bamusetting okuluzinga. If I'm to set you up for a match, who would you go? Who would you fight with? Who would you choose to go to the ring with? No gamba katikati we baby konde.
Andi katize ninga Mike Tyson sagalo muntu afa ateva nenye.
Nengo inayogo we pikira. Nkuwe golola.
Aze sina gwenne pikira.
Nkuwe golola. Kuwe golola.
Ate yagala tumuzi tavusi.
Ate
one. Kilo za chapati 15.
Ate epas.
Epas chitawe chali wange. Sagala banenye.
Even Timo ne Shakiba friends.
I'm saying epas chitawe chali wange.
Oh, the father to
yagala. Ne sister ne brother kati bandawe bachi abaja gamba blood okozo otyate
friendship of ogise Nicki Minaj of leo nagamba nti industry techali yemu in the times where she used to sing and now it's no longer the same njala nawe nkubuze mu generation yafe wanene Uganda the time when you used to sing and now do you see any difference? Is there a decline or increase in everything, production, quality of songs and everything?
I think tosobola generalizing mpozi bogamba mu ngeri ya consumption, mu ngeri ya promotion, ulinga gundi bamunominatize mu awards Joshua Baraka abantu bali bogera you know abalala tebabikolanga but nateka ekigamunenga muntu kimanyi bebe kuli yagenda kukumubu
ne comedian.
But social media teyali so active then. So things used to happen. Abantu batabimanya. Zinagendako ku MTV. Never baby. Very early my career. But I want to have mania. Some of them are but these things have been done already. And that's why I feel like industry is steadily growing. Because maybe the main difference is that kati tugenda tandika okufuna nnyo music ina probably international appeal because the new generation is more more open-minded. Nti eze nnaku nga bw'oyimba ennyimba ng'eza Joshua wenafulumiza ennyimba ngazi that girl swag me tanga bagamba ebintu bya kizungu nnyo.
Toli mu Ugandan market.
Gendo ddeyo nga tebabikuba. So kyobala abantu abagezaako okuyimba that kind of music, but struggling nnyo then. And some people would even be forced to switch up and sing what is acceptable. Naye kati ekyo kikulimitinga okugenda
international.
Global, yeah. Because, I mean, it's self-evident kati bolaba, like what Joshua is doing, but I feel like Generation Empire, Generation Empire, I have younger siblings, I have a younger sister. They are subscribed to Spotify. Bote bachira babuzibu kusasulira music. Generation je twakuliramu nga tujja. Bali bachira bamubuzibu kusasulira music nga bachira bange ekintu ekino okuba ekyobwerere. But because of the generation we consuming new foreign music, and the foreign music tell you free. When you're going to go Spotify, this is your favorite, you have to subscribe. And it's not a lot of money. So for them, so if I can subscribe for Chris Brown, to listen to Chris Brown, I can also do it for Allan Toniks, I can do it for Joshua Baraka, I can do it for Apas, I can. So Katiboba in a mindset in Dala. That's a big difference. Then of course, maybe a social media, TikTok, what, I think exposure is easier now. You could have a hit song, or 2 or 3.
Yes.
But because of social media now, I want to like what to tumuka easily. It's an advantage and a disadvantage. Because of Mraizo to tumuka even when it's not about talent. Just a gimmick. I know uzina wakola musanyise naitawo yakuba kayimba kalifanya yagamba mu kino kimanye nchi
temansingo
that kind of stuff. That time it was very difficult. Nga radio twala olimba ku radio ba TV balukube baso waina no busengejja basoka kusengejja nga bagoba twasanga boxes za CD nga zona have been rejected ngamba yimbi nga 5 nyimba nga 5 nga bajja mu ngalumu
out of 50 songs?
Yes. Because there'll be hundreds and hundreds of songs. So gena ku radio nga chamanyi chiba chitegeza.
Oli wakali.
Yes. And it was a big deal. That's why when people would hear on radio, oh my God, I'm on radio. You celebrate. But now
it's a normal thing.
Anybody can do it. And once anybody can do something, it loses value. So that's a big difference, I think, with the industry now and then.
Nakula bangera na oyogera ku copyright, nakula kwa ku live, ku TikTok live ngeyogera ko. First of all, would you sell your songs?
I believe songs are a product. Any artist out there, to sort of find jalango in a product.
So kwa catalogue yoyo nayo na Allan.
I think it depends.
Nizo kunyigira.
Nezile
nyimba zo zedda zonna
ati katika nguli ekisinzira willing buyer willing seller. Kisinzira. Oyizo kozina. Olizifunamu oba toli muzifunamu. Oli mu territory where copyright enough. Ozina abantu baziwuliriza. Maybe for free. Nga tolina kyozifunamu. Then what? So nze nkirabira mu ngeri ya logic bro. Si judging abantu mu ngeri eyo because buli muntu amanyi situation gyalimu. So oba ine kyamaguzi ki. Kati abone mutalina kutunda paka mwalinze sometime.
Alinde copyright ekole.
Of course, it's a double-edged sword. Also, I believe if you trust in your craft and process, unless you're saying is a nyimba zewakoma konti yimba ndala, na ye I think it's a case-by-case basis. Also, enaku zino waliwo music bamu trading anga stocks. Did you know?
No.
Nti waliwo company esobola okujja negamba mu catalog yo ronda benyimba 3 oba 4 no baba your back history engeri gyobadde earning ku digital ne bakola valuation. These are not Ugandan companies, these are companies in the States, Netherlands, UK, where industries are developed. Ne bakola valuation ne bagamba tusobola okuwamu this amount of money. Kaliwo bazitwala tebamala gazitimbayo ku Spotify just bayinanga platform eriko stock abantu babayinga shares mu nyimba ezo kati ng'enyimba ziba kati bw'ota oluyimba what happens usually is kati bw'ota oluyimba lutera okusika endala ezizo
ziriyo zewakola edda yes
kati abantu baspeculatinga ne bagula shares mu nyimba ezo naawe oyinza odutunda oli muddemu ogule shares mu luyimba lwo ng'obala nti kati kuno mwaka ngenda kufuba nnyo stock zange zigenda ku rising kati nosooka n'ogula nga tonnata n'olyoka n'ogenda stocks ne zirising value esente zo ne increase kagamba ebintu ebigenda mu music bw'okola research bingi nnyo kyova olaba nti abantu balwanira copyright is like umusingi
tetunana we twatandise
batuleka dda so kyannaku nnyo nti oluusi olaba abantu ababibashinga kiva mu butamanya nabutanoonyereza kumanya bifa mu nsi ndala
watuwa concert gye naliko nenkolanga MC kati otuwayo ddi endala ompa omulimu omulala
Nabawaka, so Kente, I want to release a couple of songs first. I want to give people some new stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So katugambe kano kobadde tusilikidemu, was it a musical break? Oba just wasazeyo busazikoma mu music scene?
No, I wouldn't say. I don't think that there's ever such a thing as a musical break. You know, bobo wa music yo budde. And if it tuimba temensingo bichi, you know, like bro.
Yeah.
Kwata peva ojimukube like.
Yeah. Okay.
Tuimba ebintu ebiri timeless.
And that I agree with all your songs.
And timeless things are not things you need to be inspired in a meaningful way and take time in your craft. Kanyizo kugamba nti olimba nga luno twalinako ne version bbiri.
Ngetala.
Netulondamu emu. Naye nga zombi zaali nnungi. Netumalanga omwezi ng'ebiri.
Nga mukyali awo.
Njikira nga ne producer nga twali tetukkiriziganya at first etukyusamu ku bintu ebimu. But that process is enjoyable. Bw'oli muntu ayagala nnyo art. Your process ebe kunyumira to experiment, try out this, try out that and come up with, you know, a product eventually. Naye there was an industry affair. I think the future is bright. Chemanyi, I believe that abayimbi abagenda okujja oluvannyuma bagenda kukifunamu nnyo okusinga abasooka. Kivola bakenzo bamufuna bwe yali ayogera ku the earlier artists. Buli generation eddako ejja kufunamu nnyo because the
structures. Yes.
Kati bwe tufa tufulumira ennyimba nga ne YouTube bwatuwanikira tetulina channel zaffe nga video zammwe ziri ku internet mwe nga mu celebrating nti mukikubye nga tumanyi bali mu kukola ssente
mwalo awo
era tubagenda obizuula. I think and that's also why collaborations are good. But twatandika okukola, I remember with Radio and Weasel, we used to travel a lot. Kati ogenda zi Nigeria, Zambia, South Africa, kati you interact n'abayimbi beeyo. Agamba, hey, what's your Spotify?
Nga tokamanyi.
Agamba, hey man, how many followers do you have on your YouTube channel? I'm like, my YouTube, my videos are here. Like, but that's not your channel, bro. You know, but my song, agamba, bro.
What was that?
You know, now yeah. So you can imagine.
Yes.
You grew up in as
handsome as you are.
You can imagine. You can imagine. So I can say, like, for my first couple of songs, I don't think I made any money from them.
Even up to now?
Now, yes.
No, I mean those songs. There was for another YouTube channel, yo.
Kweziri, I mean at that time when the song was out.
Wafanga kushimu kubanga bakumanyi bakuwoganira ngo tuse ku stage
ate ekyo kiraga gap endala gye tulina management tetulina abantu mu industry abalina obukugu bw'ebintu bino because ideally as an artist you should not necessarily know all those things. There should be other people buli mu wandibadde concentrating on the art.
Yeah.
Ideally there should be someone like any business. You can't be the product and the manager and the salesperson.
Yeah,
and
you can't do all.
Exactly. But most of the time, the artists were doing all. So it would take you time to learn. Kati your exposure, yoku yumiamu n'abantu abali mu industries endala, territories endala, kati ngekugula amaaso. You know, so I believe like the future is definitely more bright.
Ongambye ebintu bingi mbadde sisuubira nti ngenda wuliriza leero. Onalabye oluyimba lwogenda okubanga ofulumya ne APAS. Ate nalabye nga oluyimba wali walufulumyako dda nga lulwo.
Mbadde mbajjukiza. Jjukira ku gundi before my journey concert.
Oh, your concert, yes.
I dropped a 14-track album.
Oh, paneti tupanangi. Tulina obuzibu bwa album.
Chobola APAS yalagamba nti albums mu Uganda ezenyimbe nyingi ndowooza abanayuganda tebafite. He was right.
Tulina obuzibu.
Because olulimba your album kuli Situla when I did with Shiba. Kwe kuli olulimba lwa High with APAS. Nyina olulimba ne Fefebusi.
Can you imagine?
Nyina olulimba ne Waiki Benda.
Nero sizo nyimba dozifulumya single.
Nyina remix ne Lydia Jasmine called Something About You. Remix ya Bera Nange. Beautiful songs. 14 track. The album is there.
Single. Lwaki olufulumya mu album nga te culture yafugiraba naawe.
But you see what happens is that creation chovola APAS yatuuka n'ate nyimba ana. Kati omuntu wabagambye nti kati fulumuza olimba leero obwongo tebujja kugamba nti kasooka enninde opushinge luno. Ideas will keep coming, you keep creating more.
So
kati ogenda kwesanga ng'olina ennyimba nyingi ate ogamba nti ogenda tuta oluyimba buli week. It's not practical.
I never heard you nga bakikolanga. Kyalinga buli week kyalinga.
Not every week.
Ninga bafulumyanga ennyimba kumukumu.
I think their strategy was that they had a lot of collabos and people that worked with them were really relying on those collabos. That's why they worked with a lot of new people. So those people would push.
Okay.
So it wouldn't have to be them to push everything. So ngaina collabos satu wakwadde yo nota no pika no na pika kati zonna ne zitutumuka kati nosanga already and is everywhere.
Yeah.
And it looks like they're releasing every day.
Every now and
was
then.
a good strategy.
Okay. Okubeera ne Kampala ne Mbara wasinga okuwa emirembe.
Won't be, but of course because I don't go to Mbara often. So it's always a good feeling.
I don't know if it's a coincidence, but every time I'm in Mbara for an event, somehow, somewhere, I'm either told you are around or I see you nga woli. That's why I thought maybe obera nyo in Mbara, no in Kampala.
It's always nice to go there because I miss it sometimes. Of course, it's generally more chill. So it's good to go and just rewind. Kampala is hustle and bustle. So,
okay. This next question is on behalf of 1,000 others. Are you seeing someone?
Yeah.
Oh. How does it feel to say yeah? Haven't you broken people's hearts?
I'm seeing you. Nkulaba. Wadoleza ni muzibe. Nkulaba.
Are you dating someone, Allan Toniks? Are you dating someone?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
I gave my heart to the most important person in my life. It's Jesus Christ.
Do you know I had a feeling you were going to say something like that? I had a feeling you were going to say something like that. But tuwale tusabaye chintu chimu. Nebo tulagayo just omuntu ombwa.
You know what I'm going to do? The day I'm going to tell you guys who I'm dating.
Tell us.
I said the day is when I'm proposing.
Okay. So when are you planning to propose? I need to get ready and buy data and know I have to be following you.
I'll let you know. I'll definitely announce on my Twitter, on my ex. I'll be like, you know what, guys?
You're in love, Allan.
The day I did, I'll announce on my
But you're in love,
when
right?
I'm ready.
You're in love.
I guess.
Woo! Okay. So who wrote Ngetala? You?
So Ngetala, I worked with a guy. I met him through Andre. He's called Sorge. Sorge, shouts out. I'm sure you're not watching this. He's in China at the moment.
Oh.
He's a Ghanaian guy, but he studies there in China. Young guy, very creative. I think he's like a prodigy of Andre, who was trying to help out. He's an interesting songwriter, so we were able to work together and create something unique. Of course, that was Andre's input as the overall producer of the song. Of the song. Yeah.
All right. So you want to remind us where we can find this song one more time? Nchimanyi, we are going to go to Allan Toniks, bana katuigize Spotify lero. Spotify jogo kubanga yatubimanyi, we know Instagram, we know X.
Bagamba nti Joshua Baraka kati yasinga yo following Spotify in East Africa ya Issa Diamond.
Bagamba bugambi ya Issa Diamond nesi yasinga mu East Africa.
Diamond yali yasinga mu East Africa.
Waliwo omukyala ali Kenya.
Annie.
I've forgotten her name, but I did my research. Just that Joshua surpassed singer Diamond, but then there is a lady from Kenya.
But I was told Diamond was the lead, and now Joshua surpassed him.
Okay.
Yeah, because otherwise there would be no point. Because what are they announcing?
That I see a Diamond.
Katebeyaka isa abalawachite batugamba.
Anti Diamond is that.
Katebachinga si asinga. But
yeah.
You see, the interesting thing is that ogenda okulaba analytics ng'abantu of those 1.6 million, the Ugandans are.
But oh no. But it we no. Or just the two man.
I think. Well, I don't know. What shall even natural? Simanyi. I don't know. Ngawe twaite tumanyi YouTube nga twakatandi.
Tutuvuma nnyo by the kwane wetu.
Nange mwendi. Kati lero tugimanyi. Eyo twavaayo.
Twavaayo.
Naye kye bagamba nti kati young generation ebimanyi muko. Lwakawa kati
twesibe ku young generation.
Lwakawa bakonsuminga nnyo bya mapiano biki kati bali be bafunamu. So sife. But that gives you a glimpse. We have 50 million Ugandans. Surely. Every major artist who has hits surely has like 2 million people who listen to his music. So they can't subscribe.
They can't.
Kangu akantu akangu. Ochimanyi ogenda ku YouTube nga video yo ina millions of views. Nenga subscription tewe na mitwala atano.
Bwatyo tulaba neti following.
So kati obuntu obo, I think our fans, but the young generation will change that. So competing industries nge Rwanda kangambe OTZ bafani si bafani ba bigambo bafani ba action so omuntu nga ina millions of views ogagenda ba followers nga nabo bali mu millions tebakoma ku bigambo bikwatagana, you know. So I think like I wish Ugandans could be more patriotic because those guys are intentional about that thing. When they see Ugandan artists in their countries, they're like babatunuliranga competition nabafani beyo babatunuliranga.
Alright, madesa wosi bulobula bya Spark TV ne 21 question abadanyu akunyumiro nako olwaleero.
Alright, all the fan them ba Spark TV abatulabire yonna je mutulabira mwebali nnyo okutuninga in and for supporting Spark TV as always. You better know to keep it right here. It's your boy Allan Toniks mbalete kapya leero ngetalo mulisa lekansabe nnyo nti muli yonna umeme just sigalako musigalenga muyine tala kubanga zabadde bamonyabonya gye mbadde mbeereye wange
kiwatu
oluusi bavavaako nga ubeera mu studio
nefe yagatubere ng'ettaala
twagala mutu ng'ettaala mumulise.
Alright, thank you so much.
Check out olimba luli ku all platforms, luli ku YouTube yange, just type in Allan Toniks Etala. The video is out. Ku Spotify, ku iTunes, ku mikutu gyonna egya digital. The song is available. Oyinza okawuli oyinza n'okunyiga Shazam.
Noka downloading.
Kajja kujja. Taxi Maxido.
Alright, thank you so much. Musule bulungi wala downloading app ya Numida gama mikono jona jina business ntino bana Numida takuitako ngatakuoze kasimbi business yo jongere mu stock bakasoma bedenga beyongera. Osobola kubanga osobola n'okugula amatabi amalala ewalala. Edduuka lo lyakenge ttaala, business yo yakenge ttaala, nayo kenyini nyinyi oyake ngetala. See you guys tomorrow. Mbagala nnyo. Bye bye.